To replace the Human Touch ALTUS pad set, the first thing we need to do is power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, we need to lift up the front flap of the seat cushion and remove the two bolts that secure the front of the cushion. Simply turn them counterclockwise by hand to remove them. Next, we'll slide the seat cushion forward just enough to expose the connectors and disconnect those connectors. Then we can remove the seat cushion from the chair. To detach the backrest pad, we first need to detach the clips from the rear of the chair. Then detach the hook and loop fasteners on the side of the chair and on the top. Then we can remove the backrest pad from the chair. To install the new backrest pad, we can first place it into position and then secure it using the hook and loop fasteners on each side of the pad as well as the top. Next, we can tuck the lower flap through to the back of the chair and secure those clips to the bottom edge of the backrest. To install the seat cushion, we'll need to connect the connector. We'll need to slide the bracket down underneath the metal frame, install the two bolts into the corresponding holes on the chair frame. Sliding the bracket underneath the chair frame is a little bit tricky. You have to go by feel and pulling slightly up on the pad to make sure it's engaged. Then you can use your fingers to ensure that the bolts are in the holes in the chair frame in front. Okay, then we can replace the two knobs to secure the front of the seat. Then we can plug in the chair, power it on, and we're done.